Hello and welcome to another video of digital marketing learning. In today's video, we'll be discussing how we can increase the file upload size of your WordPress website. As in previous video, we have removed the Bitnami banner, and in the previous video, we deployed the Bitnami WordPress website on Google Cloud. So all of these series is interconnected, and we'll be learning the Google Cloud technique, and we'll be learning the WordPress installation and also the WordPress website, how we can develop the website as well. So if you are looking to if you are really interested in learning digital marketing and also the website development and SEO, then also follow the complete series from the beginning till the end, and there are a lot more to come. So let's get started and go to the
So the first step in this tutorial is to head on over to your compute engine. So you can do that by going to your Google Cloud platform, clicking the hamburger menu, and then compute engine, and then to VM instances. And once you get there, you're going to click the connect button where it says SSH here. So click that. All right, so the first step is we're going to connect as a root user. So to do that, we're going to enter sudo -i. Okay, next step, we're going to have to edit our php.ini file. So to do that, we're going to type nano, and next we're going to enter the file path to our php.ini file. Now this will be different for you depending on your WordPress installation. So for me, I use the Bitnami WordPress install. So my php.ini file is located at opt Bitnami php. All right, so once you've typed in the file path here, you're going to click enter. All right, now that you've opened up your php.ini file, we're going to edit our upload max file size. So to do that, we're going to search for upload max file size. Enter, and here it is, upload max file size. Looks like the default here is 40 megabytes, which is pretty small. You can change this to either 64 or maybe 128 megabytes. Just don't put it higher than what you absolutely need. So I'll change mine to 64.
All right, so now that you've changed the upload max file size, we're going to save our settings. I should also mention that there's a few other limits that are imposed within this file, and I will list those in the description to this video. You can always increase those if you would like, but for the most part, changing this upload max file size limit here, this will take care of most problems. So to save this, we're going to do Control O, and then we're going to click Enter. Perfect. And then to exit this, we'll do Control X. Perfect. That's all taken care of. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to comment in the box below if you have any questions, and please subscribe for future WordPress videos. Thanks a lot.